Okay, so let's be real. AI coding assistants are completely changing how we build software, right? But doesn't it feel like we're just scratching the surface? Like, what's the next big leap in this evolution?
Right now, tools like GitHub Copilot are fantastic, don't get me wrong, but they often feel, well, kind of bolted on. Their context is pretty much limited to the single file you're in, which makes them smart, but not a true partner. And this slide just nails the problem. It's the difference between a helpful little robot and a fully integrated transformer. This is about a true evolution, not just another extension.
And that's exactly where Cursor comes into the picture. See, this isn't just another plugin or extension. It's a completely different philosophy. It's a code editor that's been reimagined from the ground up, with AI baked right into its core.
So what makes it so different? Well, the AI is woven directly into the editing experience itself. And because it's built that way, Cursor can see and understand your entire codebase. It's not just looking at one file at a time, it knows how every single component connects. And for building complex software, that is an absolute game changer. Of course I know what you're thinking. A new editor? I don't want to spend the whole day setting everything up again. Nobody does. And Cursor gets that. It lets you migrate your entire VS Code setup, we're talking extensions, themes, key bindings, the whole shebang, in one single click. You're not starting over, you're just upgrading. But hey, talk is cheap, right? The best way to really get what this is all about is to see it in action. So let's go on a quick mission together and watch how Cursor totally transforms the development process.
We are starting from absolute zero, a completely blank project folder. And our goal is simple. We want to create a Python project to analyze some sales data that's in a CSV file. That's it. No boilerplate, no config files, just us telling it what we want in plain English. And boom, just like that, Cursor instantly understands what we're trying to do. It knows we need the pandas library, it gives us the command to install it, and it generates the entire starter script to load and read our data. We literally just went from an idea to working code in seconds. So how in the world did it do that? The secret sauce is one word: context. This is the big paradigm shift. Using the @ symbol, you can give the AI a map. You can point it to specific files, to documentation, or even to your entire code base. This is the difference between simple auto-completion and a deep, genuine understanding of your project. Now, this deep context unlocks something amazing: conversational refinement. Instead of just telling the AI to rewrite a block of code and hoping for the best, you can highlight any section, hit Cmd L, and start a chat about that code. You can ask it to explain things, find bugs, or help you refactor. You're working with it. Okay, let's wrap up our mission. We simply ask it to visualize the result. And this shows you the power of that AI-first approach. Cursor knows it needs a library like matplotlib, it adds the import statement for us, and generates all the correct plotting logic without breaking any of our existing code. And with that, mission accomplished. So that was a pretty dramatic change for a simple task, wasn't it? Let's zoom out and just recap the core benefits. Why would you actually make the switch? It really boils down to three huge things. First, the incredible speed. You saw it, we're scaffolding whole features in seconds. Second is powerful context. Being able to reference your entire project gives the AI a superpower. And finally, familiarity. Because this is a fork of VS Code, there is zero learning curve. You really can code at the speed of thought. So when you put all of that together, it becomes really clear. This isn't just about trying something new. It's about upgrading your own capabilities as a developer. And you know what? Your upgrade is ready. And you can grab that upgrade right now. It's available for Mac, Windows, and Linux. Just scan the QR code you see on the screen to download it. And remember, with that one-click migration, you can import your entire VS Code setup and be up and running in a smarter way in just a few minutes. So, after seeing how an AI-first approach can really transform your workflow from the ground up, the only question that's left is the one right there on the screen. Are you ready to code at the speed of thought?